You won't believe how quickly this works for attracting your specific person, helping you with your career, bringing more abundance into your life. Now, this is a rare, hardly ever talked about technique taught by Neville Goddard. It really works, and it's extremely powerful. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, I'm just feeling the season of love. I mean, it's like raining love all around us right now because we're getting ready for the Valentine's Day miracle. Now, 2 years ago, we had people from all over the world that were apart. They broke up, whatever happened, and they got back together. But not only that, we had several people who were alone, who were not in a relationship, and they quickly found their soulmate or their heartmate or their twin flame, whatever you would like to call it. It was just miraculous. Anyway, we're doing it again. The portal's reopened and we're doing it again. It'll be February 12th. That's 2 days before Valentine's Day. And I'd like you to join me. But I have a limited amount of space for this because we really try to keep this one very intimate. So I don't even have a website up yet, but you can go to the valentinesdaymiracle.com and go right in there and claim your seat right now. So you'll have your spot, you'll be reserved, you'll be taken care of. It's going to be great. Listen, I'm going to go out on a limb. I'm going to promise you that you are going to be engaged or married by Christmas of 2026 after attending the Valentine's Day miracle. So check it out. If it's right for you, it's right for you. If you feel called, you feel called. I get that. Here we are. It's a new year. We're excited. We're manifesting like crazy. And I hope you are ready to manifest beyond your wildest dreams. You won't believe how quickly this technique works. It's a rare, hardly ever talked about technique that was created by none other than Neville Goddard. And it's very powerful. I don't know why other creators haven't talked about it. We use it. We like it. I use it personally. So I'm going to share my personal experience, but I'm also going to teach you how to do it. And you're going to be amazed at how fast it works. Neville hinted at this technique quietly. He didn't teach it as a method. He assumed that you'd catch it. But when you do, results can show up almost immediately. So if you feel like you're doing a lot of work, maybe you're doing robo affirmations, maybe you're doing the 369 technique, maybe you're doing Ho'oponopono, any number of techniques that are very effective, but they're not working for you. This is the technique you're going to want to do. This is the one that will work for you, and it works fast. Most people approach manifestation like this. They try to create a new future. Neville taught something radically different. He said, creation is finished, meaning what you want already exists. So if creation already exists, if it already exists, then the only thing that changes when we manifest is what part of creation you are occupying. Are you occupying the part of creation where you are living a life of abundance and health and happiness and an incredible relationship? Or are you occupying the part of creation where you're struggling, where you're worried, where your relationship is falling apart, where there's a third party, where there's all kinds of negative things going on? That's the only difference. What part of creation are you occupying? And here's the rare part that most people miss. Neville didn't tell us to force ourselves into the wish fulfilled. There's no, I'm going to force myself into the wish fulfilled. He didn't say that. He told us, listen now, he told us to drop the memory of our old self, the one that is not living the life that you would like to live. Drop that memory. That's the key to this technique. So this technique is called assumed amnesia. Assumed amnesia. You might want to write that down. You might want to write it down below here in the comment section. I assume amnesia. Here's what it means. Instead of asking, how do I get what I want? Robert, how do I get what I want? You temporarily forget the version of you that doesn't have it. Think about that. Forget the version of you that doesn't have it, that doesn't have that new relationship, that doesn't have your specific person, that doesn't have that new car or that job advancement or career advancement or the money you desire or the lottery win you've been trying to win. I hate that word try. Don't you hate it? So assume the version of you that has been living that reality and invoke a type of amnesia, what I call assumed amnesia, and forget that version of you and begin living the version of you that has exactly what you desire. Pretty simple, very effective. You simply stop referencing the things that you don't want internally in your life and in your mind and in your thinking, and you start to live as if you already have what you desire. Neville said the following: you must become as though you were not aware of ever having been anything else. That's it. Amnesia. You've never been the person without your specific person. You've never been the person without financial success. You've never been the person without the new home or the new car or whatever it is that you desire to manifest. Assumed amnesia. So you're going to ask now, Robert, how do I do this? How do I make this work? Here you go. Are you ready? For a few moments, especially at nighttime, you stop remembering your current circumstances. You just wipe them out. They don't exist. You don't think from them. You don't react to them. You don't even try to change them. You act internally. This is so normal now. I don't even remember what it felt like before. Not excitement, not celebration, normalcy. This is normal for you to have your specific person in your life. This is normal for you to have the money you desire. This is normal for you to advance in your career or have your dream job. This is normal for you to buy your new house. You see, it's normal. And that's where we start thinking from. And the universe, it becomes aware of this new consciousness and it matches it. It brings more of it into your life. And then we get into this kind of mega manifestation where we were out to manifest $100, but we ended up manifesting $100,000. We were out to repair our relationship, but instead our relationship doesn't need repair. It's better than it's ever been before. You see what I'm saying? It's normal. Normal. So when you move to this way of thinking that being rich, being healthy, being in a beautiful relationship is normal, you literally collapse time. You literally collapse the old timeline. It literally starts to melt away. And within minutes, hours, or even a few days, things begin to drastically change in your life. Okay, I'm going to give you the instructions. Here you go. Try this. Lie down, relax your body. Don't visualize a scene. Instead, ask yourself one quiet question. If this were already mine, what I desire most, what would feel unremarkable now? Maybe it's checking your phone and not being surprised that there's a text message there. Maybe it's speaking to someone without need. Maybe it's a calm confidence that doesn't announce itself. Then, here's the important part. Do not continue the scene. Do not elaborate. Do not improve it. Let it fade into sleep, unfinished. So Neville taught this, that when imagination stops mid-assumption, the subconscious accepts it as fact. This works so quickly, high flyers, because you're no longer trying to become someone. You are someone. You're already there, and it's normal to you. You've taken on assumed amnesia over the old timeline, and it's now collapsing and fading away. You're simply forgetting who you were, and you're now living a new life. Pretty simple. You can do this every night for a few moments, and then it becomes normal to live this life, this new life. There's no fanfare. There's no getting excited about it. There's no jumping up and down or pounding a drum. This is normal. Winning the lottery is normal for you. Making more money at work is normal for you. Opening a successful business is normal for you. It's just who you are. It's what you are. Having the relationship of your dreams is normal for you. You know, this is why some manifestation seems to come from out of nowhere, without trying, without effort, without putting a lot of energy into it. Because the person believes it's normal. So high flyers, tonight, don't try harder. Forget better. Can you do that? Don't try harder. Forget better. If you can do that, you can start collapsing the old timeline and living the new timeline in 2026 and beyond. An incredible life. You deserve it. It's yours right now. Okay, want to remind you to claim your 30 minutes of miracle mentoring and alchemy success coaching free. Find out what a mentoring program can mean for your life. We're always looking for a few good, serious clients, and we are looking for people that have past experience working with people, particularly in the psychological field or self-help, to become miracle mentors as well. And you can contact us at lawofattractionsolutions.com. I love you. You have a great day, because you know why. Because you deserve it. Bye-bye now.